Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Subaru remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is remove this screw here out of the top of the fob so we can split the two halves of the case so we can gain access to the battery. So we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just simply remove the screw. Now we can just split the two halves of the case, as simple as that. Now we get our little flathead screwdriver and just simply remove the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1620, like this one. We simply just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing downwards, like so, and we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case and we pop the bottom half in like so, clip the little legs in and underneath like that. We pop it all back together. We get our little screw and we just simply tighten it up. And there you go. It's all done.